bati nagpupuhasda, mga kasiyahan pamigay kasama. Aking kaibigan ko sa kapatid, ating turingan na hindi mapapatid. Kahit na malayo, para ring malapit, sama-sama tayo, sabay-sabay umawi. Para sa iyo ang tagay na ito, tapos tagayan mo rin ako. Wala sa ating magbabago, kasi nga ikaw ang kabarkada ko. Kosa kahit di na tayo magkasama, tambayan natin dati ay giba-giba na. Alam ko na miss na di na makinig sa kalungkutan.
Pag tumingin ka na, kislap ng iyong mata, dala mo ay saya. Nawawala ang pangamba, pagkat kapiling na kita. Di na mapipigilan ng pusong pinadana. Pag nahihirapan ka, ay laging sasamahan ka, kailanman asahan.
Ang gusto ko sa lalaki ay di masyadong malaki ang katawan, at ko'y payat na malaman.
Sa Manila ako ay nananabik, mabaliw-baliw ako sa kanyang mga halik. Okay lang di maiwasan na mamiss paminsan-minsan, pero pag kami
Me? In love with you? Yes. Yes, I am, bitch.
Bawat ngiti mo binibini, ati ng sandali. Basta sa'yo at akin ka, huwag mapunta sa iba. Iaalay aking awitin sa ilalim ng bituin, at ang liwanag ng buwan sumasabay sa ating nararamdaman. O aking sinta, ibang dulot ng ngiti mong dala, para bang nasa langit lang, ikaw ang munting pahinga.
I never knew love till I found you. There's magic in your smile. Never knew love till I saw you looking in my eyes.
Kalma! Ako lang to.
Going round in circles, got you stuck up in my head. Yeah, memories follow me left and right. I can feel over here, I can feel over here.
baby, I'm perfect for you.
Anak ka lang ng mama mo, pero baby kita.
And if you like, then I drive it with the wind.
Mahal mo ba talaga ako? O mahal mo lang ako dahil masarap ako? Alin doon?
If you have a problem, smile. If you're tired, smile. Life is full of struggles, but your smile can bring you closer to happiness. It brings light even on dark days. Even in pain, choose to smile. A smile won't solve everything, but it can give you the courage to keep going. Happiness starts with a simple smile. Keep smiling. You are stronger than your problems.
Nang makita ka, aking sinta, nasabi ko sa sarili, ikaw na nga. Ngunit nalaman ko na ang iyong puso ay mayroon na palang nagmamay-ari nito. Masyado kong nasaktan, lungkot ang nararamdaman. Paano na ako? Paano ng pag-ibig ko? Baby, I love you, mahal kita. Baby, I love you, walang iba.
Ang kape, mapait pag walang asukal. Parang ako, hindi masaya pag walang ikaw.
Ikaw ang babaeng matagal ko nang hinihintay. Pero bakit ngayon ka lang dumating? Tagal kong naghintay, umabot ng ilang taon. Nagpapasalamat ako na nandito ka na, mahal.
Stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way.
'Cause baby, I'm in love, and why can't you just let me in? You're always on my mind, but it's how much I care. I can't think of a time that you weren't there. I know that I'd be lying if I didn't want you here.
E a bunda dela.
Drop it on my car.
Stop, drop, and roll. Do that. Do it like a pro. Do that.
How do I get through one night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you.
But you came along and you changed everything. You lift my feet off the ground, you spin me around. You make me crazier, crazier. Feels like I'm falling.
Tinatamaan na naman ako sa iyong ganda. Dahil sa iyong ganda, ako'y nabihag na. Labi mo na napakalambot, sarap pagkan. Korte ng iyong katawan.
I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Handa kong iwan na lahat, makuha na kita. I give my heart to you tonight. Oh baby, hold on tight. I think I'm falling, falling, falling.
Pwede bang umibig? Hindi nasasaktan. Pwede I think you're headed for a breakdown, so be careful not to show it.
her face, pop her face.
Oh binibin, ikaw ang napili. Hahanapin bawat sandali. Ang iyong ngiti nagbibigay liwanag para di maligaw.
Ano? Nag-break lang kayo ng jowa mo, hindi ka na makakain? Bakit? Dinala niya ba yung ulam?
Sa puso ko'y ikaw lamang ang mamahalin at magpakailanman tanging ikaw ang ibigin. Ikaw ang siyang pangarap ko, ikaw ang buhay ko, tanging ikaw walang iba sa puso ko.
See your face cloud over like a little girl, and your eyes have lost their shine. You whisper something softly I'm not meant to hear. Baby, tell me what's on your mind. I don't care what people say about the two of us from different worlds. I love you so much that it hurts inside. Are you listening to me, girl? Can't we try just a little bit farther? Can't we give just a little bit more? Can we try to understand that it's love we're fighting for?
We run this mother, yeah.
Oh my pretty, pretty girl, I love you like I never ever loved no one before you. Pretty, pretty girl of mine, just tell me you love me too.
Mahirap talaga magtiwala, lalo na kung nasaktan ka na. Kaya, tikim-tikim na lang muna.
Doon ko na-realize na walang permanente pagdating sa pag-ibig. Yung taong pinagkatiwalaan mo at minahal mo, iiwan ka na lang bigla. Ang dami ko tuloy naging tanong, ba't hindi mo man lang nagawang magpaalam? Bakit hindi mo naisip na masasaktan ako? Bakit hindi mo man lang ako pinaglaban? Ganun ka ba kaduwag? O sadyang hindi mo lang ako?
Masipsip naman ang iyong labi.